Welcome back to Mommy's Show.
Soundstripe.
Today we're going to be doing makeup. She's going to do my makeup and I'm going to do hers.
Yeah, and my mommy is going to do my makeup. Click that subscribe button. Turn the notification bell for more videos. Today we're going to do makeup.
Yay! She's going to do my makeup and I'm going to do hers.
That's right.
Yes. Okay, so she's going to do my face first and then I'm going to do hers.
That's right.
That's right, like she said. I look so adorable. Aww.
Now we're done with this. Now we need to do this cheeks.
Gonna do my cheeks now? What about my eyebrows?
Oh
I
yeah.
need some eyebrows, girl.
So eyebrows.
I ain't got no eyebrows. I got 2 sets, you guys. Remember, tattooed.
Tattoo.
Yeah, a long time ago.
Tattoo, right?
Those lines?
Oh yeah.
You forgot? Okay, so draw my eyebrows. That'll make them look so pretty.
Like this, like your eyebrows.
Oh yeah.
Looks like you have a long eyebrow.
You're drawing a long eyebrow?
Yeah.
I bet I'm gonna go to the store like this. You know that, right?
Mm-hmm.
You will.
Yep. Did you mess up?
No. But I have
It's
to
okay,
get.
it's fine.
What are you getting?
I'm trying to get you water so you can so you don't look like in the store with that.
No, it's okay. What do you mean? It looks good. I like it.
Good morning.
I like these 2 lines that are going in different direction, and this one it gives off that oomph that I want in my face. The look I've been looking for.
Other people's gotta do this.
So we don't care about them people.
Yeah.
It's the love that counts. Don't stab your mama now.
Done.
Look at my man.
Hello.
You look so pretty. No, you look so pretty.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Now time to do your lips.
My bad.
Where's the lip? Where's
Wow.
the lip
Can I?
thingy?
Am I gonna have any more eyebrow on this one, or is that it? Are you done with this one?
Oh. You know, look so fabulous.
Fabulous? Yes, girl. Divas.
Where's the lips?
Well, here's some different kind of lipstick. This is my favorite. Oh. I got you.
I'm smart.
I know, you're very smart.
That's good.
Oh, you better not. do you think it looks good? Girl, you got me looking like a bad mama jamma.
Now put on some this.
Can't nobody tell me nothing, especially when I go out here.
Mom, is this for your cheeks?
You need something for my cheeks? Well, I don't have any. So this is what you use. You can use lipstick. When you don't have blush, you can rub a little lipstick on and then you blend it out like that, okay?
Where's your blender then?
The one that I want you to use for my cheeks, here you can use this one. I gotta wash my makeup brushes anyways tonight.
I like this color. Look at this. No, I didn't mean to. Do this because it's gonna be like alias. I'm not sure about Wait, I'm sorry.
You slapped me in the face. What the fuck? Girl.
You got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know you'll do right by me. I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know we got this. There's something I'd have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and you got nothing.
Oh my god, I like it. I look so gorgeous. Girl.
It's because I'm this smart.
Yes, I love it so much. She got me out here looking like a fierce diva. Okay. Alright, it's time for me to be you. Yay! Let's move all this beautiful hair out the way. So, first I am going to start. Okay.
Hello guys, I'm Chloe. This is Mom. Bye.
No.
I'm just joking.
Look at me.
Yes.
All right, you guys. Here's the finished look.
Look at our makeup. Bye-bye.
You guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn your notification bell on and
Give a big thumbs up and turn subscribe.
yep. I hope you guys like our new makeup look.